everybody, welcome to another episode of Hot Wheels TV. Today we're going to be looking at the 2017 treasure hunts and the 2017 super treasure hunts. And the only way that we got these is from our 2017 Hot Wheels master case. I always say it, I'm going to say it again. This is the best way to get every car, all the mainline cars that come out over the year. It's with the master case. Gotta get it. You know what I mean? Alright, so let's look at the first car from the A case. This is the winning formula, and this was, like I said, from the A case. It's flat black, has a red plastic base on it, riding on blacked out PR5s with a gold chrome rim. From the B case is the Fangula, also in flat black. It has a metal base riding on red tires. The back ones are black painted OH5s. The front are the black skinnies. It has a chrome interior and a transparent red windshield and a canopy over the top, like a sunroof. Pretty cool. The C case is the Dragon Blaster, and that comes in purple plastic, has a metal base riding on green tires with purple chrome 5 spokes, has transparent orange wings, and the eyes are also transparent orange. From the D case is the tuned 69 Camaro Z28 that's done up in yellow enamel, has a black plastic base riding on chrome 5 spokes. It has a tinted window, chrome interior, and big old chrome engine hanging out of the hood. From the E case is the Tooligan, and that is in orange plastic. It's riding on black OH5s with a white rim on it. Has a metal base, and I believe that is a 7/16 wrench on the back. It has a yellow canopy on it, and if you look inside, there's a nut in there. And you know, you understand, I think the nut behind the wheel is loose. Well, there's actually a nut inside driving this car. Pretty neat. Never noticed that before, but yeah, that's pretty cool. And it's got yellow, silver, and black tampos on the side. From the F case is the So Plowed, and that is in a textured silver or textured gray body. The fenders and the plow are blue plastic, dark blue plastic. The base is black plastic. It has white tires on it, and the wheels are OR5 spokes. They're black. It has gold chrome windows, gold chrome engine, lights on the front, the stacks. The sander in the back is also gold chrome. You really wouldn't want to have all that gold chrome out there in the snow and the salt, you know what I mean? From the A, B, C, D, E, F, G case is the Hot Wheel Pursuit. It is done in gloss black. The center section, the fenders and running boards and all that, are a dark gray plastic. The base is a gray metallic plastic base. The windows are very dark amber tint, and it's riding on blacked out PR5s with a red chrome ring. Next up is the Fandango, that is in also gloss black. It has lime green plastic center section, the fenders, the bumpers, the running boards. I have seen these come in different shades, the lime green plastic, so keep your eyes out for that if you're into collecting the different colors of plastic, which I am. Hey, I'm a variation collector, right? It's got a gray plastic base. The wheels are pink PR5s. The interior is the same color as the fenders and the bumpers, and it has a lightly blue tinted window. We have the pedal driver, and that is from the J case. And it is in a dark blue enamel, has a chrome plastic base, and it's riding on chrome bispokes. From the K case is the Blade Raider, and that is in red enamel, has an orange plastic base. The wheels are chrome beadlocks all the way around, has a chrome interior, chrome exhaust, and a lightly blue tinted window. Next up, the Aerodynamic. This is a metallic teal with a yellow transparent body. Looks more like a go-kart than anything else. It has orange transparent tires, and the wheels are PR5s, orange transparent also, there's no markings on them, and it has a white rim on it. The 24 hours, and that is from the M case. It is a pearl plastic red. It's a kind of a light red, maybe a rose or something. Has an orange enamel metal base on it. The engine and interior are chrome. The windows and the engine cover are a yellow transparent. It has glow-in-the-dark tires, and the wheels are gold chrome swirl. Next up is the Hot Wheels Ford Transit Connect, and that is from the N case. This is in a very dark blue metallic. If you didn't really look at it that close, you might think it was black. It has a black plastic base. The windows are a yellow tint to them, kind of a foggy one. It's riding on black OH5s, all small OH5s, with a red chrome rim. The interior is a dark red plastic. The Blast Lane from the P case, and that is in a nice dark candy apple red. It has white plastic handlebars. The wheels are black plastic 3 spokes, and the rims are gold chrome. Last up for the regular treasure hunts is the Faradox from the Q case. It is from the Super Chromes series, and it is in a dark gold chrome, has a metal base. The window is a darker blue transparent, and the wheels and tires are teal plastic. The rims are the double stamp gold chrome, and the tampos on the front are a light blue and black, and it looks pretty good. So there you have it, our 2017 regular treasure hunts. I'm going to put these aside for now, and we're going to get out the super treasure hunts. The first one up of the 2017 Supers is the 63 Chevy II. This thing is absolutely beautiful. It's a Spectraflame magenta, I'm going to say. It's got some purple in it, and I can't say that it's candy apple red, but yeah, it's definitely got some purple and some really, really nice metallic to it. Has yellow and orange flames, a chrome base. The wheels are chrome rocket. The interior is a dark gray. The windshield, all the windows, are a light smoke. Next up is the Mystery Machine, and that is done in a very dark green, Spectraflame green, and the base is chrome. It's riding on orange. Yeah, those are orange rocket wheels. The tires, of course, are rubber. The rim around the wheels is a light green enamel. The interior is orange, and the window is a real light tint. Next up is the 16 Angels from the C case, and this is done in gold chrome. It's from the Holiday Racers series. It has a nice dark candy apple red painted base. The tires are white. The rims are gold chrome rocket wheels. The windshield is a transparent red, a dark transparent red, and the interior is teal. The Toyota off-road truck from the D case, and that comes in, it's a light green and fades to black. Got some really cool tampos on it. Has a black plastic base. It has big knotty tires on it all the way around and chrome rims. The interior is gray, the roll cage. The seats and stuff are black plastic, and there is no window. No window at all. Wouldn't want to be driving that thing. You'd all have mud flapping up in your face, you know. The Surf Crate, and that's from the E case, and that is in a really dark candy apple red. Got some cream colors on the side there. The interior is tan, surfboard is tan. The wheels are chrome rocket wheels. The base is unpainted metal base. The engine is chrome, and that's about it. No windows in this one either. The 2017 Acura NSX, and that is in, I want to say that's a Spectra Flame gold, dark gold. It has a black plastic base. The wheels are dark gray Ferrari wheels, actually. The interior is black. The windows are a dark tint. Tampos are very minimal. Headlights, grill, taillights, just the necessities. The roof is painted black also. 67 Chevy C10. A lot of people love this truck. Real ones and, of course, the Hot Wheel. This is in a candy purple, and it has rocket wheels. Everybody loves them rocket wheels, man. Those are really, really nice. Clear window, chrome interior, and a black plastic base. From the Batman Brave and Bold movie, I guess. This is the Batmobile, and it is in a charcoal metallic, maybe a candy charcoal. It's a really, really dark gray. It has black rocket wheels. The rim on it is a red chrome, and it has a black plastic base. The canopy, or the windows, are a light blue tint, and it has red and gray tampos on it. The 2013 Viper SRT, and that is from the J case, and that is also in a, that might be a candy olive. It has a dark charcoal plastic base. The interior is black, and the windows are a dark smoked. This also very minimal for tampos. Has stripes on the hood, a little bit on the sides, no markings on taillights, and the headlights are done up. The Cruise Bruiser, and that is in a candy teal, Spectra Flame teal. How's that? Has a chrome plastic base. The wheels are olive steel slots with a light blue rim around them. The engine is black. The interior is a dark charcoal. No windows in this one either. The tampos are green enamel, white, black, and the headlights and taillights are not done up either. The 69 Chevelle SS 396, and that's from the L case. That is in a Spectra Flame gold, riding on black rocket wheels with a red chrome rim. Chrome base, a smoked window, and a black interior. It has red enamel and blue stripes on the hood, across the nose, and across the trunk lid. The grille and the rear bumper, actually all of it, the base, are a black tint chrome. I haven't seen too many of these, so I don't know if there's a variation of them out there. If there is, let me know. Leave it in the comments below if you have one with nice clear chrome on it. But this one here has a darker black tint chrome. The 2005 Ford Mustang, and that's from the M case. It is a extremely dark candy apple blue, almost black. It has a light blue plastic base, riding on dark gray rocket wheels with a red chrome rim. The interior is dark gray. The windows are a light blue tint, and the chin spoiler is the same as the interior, a dark gray. It is a pretty cool looking car. It's got white and red and yellow tampos on the hood, and of course on the side. And on the back, on the quarter panel, is a light blue, pearl blue TH symbol for Super Treasure Hunt. One of the most sought after cars for the Super Treasure Hunts in 2017 is the 67 Camaro, and that is from the N case. That is in a very dark candy apple red metallic. It has a chrome plastic base, and it is riding on chrome reverse wheels. Chrome reverse. And it's got chrome reverse wheels all the way around, a black interior, a clear window. If it has a little bit of tint to it, it might. Really hard to tell. The tampos are yellow and white and black. On the sides it says 67 Camaro. People are going crazy over this car. The Velocita from the P case, that is in a beautiful candy apple purple, and it has a white plastic base. It's got white and black tampos, white and purple and black tampos across the top and on the sides. It has chrome Ferrari wheels on it, and the interior is chrome, and the window is a dark tint, even might be smoked. And last but not least for the 2017 Super Treasure Hunts is the Fairlady Z, the Nissan Fairlady Z. That's done in black enamel, has red and white tampos all over it. The base is red plastic. The wheels are a dark gray 10-spoke with a dark gold rim around it. The interior is a dark gray, and the window is a light tint to it. So there you have it, the 2017 regular treasure hunts, 2017 Super Treasure Hunts. And like I said in the beginning, the only way we have them all is because we got the 2017 Master Case. So until the next time we see you right here at Hot Wheels TV, thanks for watching. For one, please subscribe, please share our videos with your friends, and please be kind to one another. So hopefully we'll see you again. Maybe we'll see you at the pegs. Bye-bye.